Welcome, guys, to a mind-blowing experience. We enter this portal. I died. I died because of an idiot. I'm sorry. Idiot killed me. I gotta enter that portal. And then a mind-blowing experience. This place.
Y'all got fried chicken for me? Help the blacks out, like. That
boy. We entered this thing. And where are we now?
It's okay, that big rabbit. I'm so.
Can somebody buy me RPG ammo? Like, please.
Sigma.
No, I can't afford it. I just don't have it.
Hey, what do you need?
I need RPG
Okay.
ammo. I don't have RPG ammo.
What is this place? I've never been to this place before.
No.
Tell me, what is this place? Whoa.
Dude, the kid with the big RPG. Idiot.
Hey, whoever took that RPG, I'm gonna crash your game now. Whoever has it. Oh.
Yo, guys, have you ever listened? Guys, have you ever listened to Kendrick Lamar's new song? Did you guys listen to Kendrick Lamar's new song?
We had 2 more weird places. Why am I in this place? There's another one.
Aim? Are you buying a rock? Did I kill him?
No! I
Alive, by
couldn't
the way.
make it!
Dang. Are you dead now?
Well, that's as far
That's
as
what I
I
thought.
could do it. Bye, guys. Please subscribe. Bye.
Get me what you said.